Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of April, 2025, our system has ranked MicroStrategy Incorporated as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.8. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 38.98% since we first listed MicroStrategy Incorporated as a buy candidate 27 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.44% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper range of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This scenario often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $434.55 would first signal a stronger upward momentum. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 57% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 17.9% and 63.69%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 81.66%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 17.54% to 164.77% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $490.04 and $1,103.86. Our latest daily update for MicroStrategy Incorporated includes the headline: MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price ended at $416.92 on Tuesday, after gaining 0.85%. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price gained 0.85% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, rising from $413.42 to $416.92. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether this trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.86%, reaching a low of $406.22 and a high of $417.85. The price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by 8.27% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 1 million shares, with a total of 11 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $4.69 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $543, and the lowest price was $102.40. Currently, the price is 23.22%, or $126.08, below the 52-week high of $543, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Today, significant legal developments are unfolding for MicroStrategy Incorporated, which is traded under the ticker MSTR. Investors have learned that multiple class action lawsuits have been filed against the company and certain executives, alleging violations of federal securities laws. Prominent law firms such as Braunstein, Gewurz & Grossman LLC, Glancy Pronge and Murray LLP, and Pomerantz LLP are leading these actions, urging investors who lost money between the 30th of April, 2024 and the 4th of April, 2025 to join the lawsuits. This increased legal scrutiny follows a drastic revelation in April 2025, when MicroStrategy announced a staggering $5.910 billion unrealized loss on its digital assets, compounding concerns about the company's future profitability. This news had previously triggered an 8.7% decline in MSTR's stock price. As details from these ongoing lawsuits emerge, investors could react with heightened volatility, potentially pushing the stock lower in the short term as fears of further financial damage or legal penalties grow. In the long term, if these lawsuits yield unfavorable outcomes for the company, MicroStrategy may face financial burdens that could lead to challenges in capital raising and operational sustainability. Conversely, successful navigation of these lawsuits could stabilize investor confidence over time, but the current landscape leaves stockholder sentiment particularly fragile, contributing to uncertainty in MSTR's market performance. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity assigned MSTR a buy rating along with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned MSTR a hold rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned MSTR a hold rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned MSTR a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that BTIG assigned MSTR a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, and since then, it has declined by 1.11%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, MicroStrategy Incorporated stock displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, offering a positive outlook for the stock. There is also a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average exceeds the long-term average. During downward corrections, some support is expected from the lines at $410.07 and $351.94. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite price gains, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 6 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 60 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also offered a buy signal 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 25 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe the short moving average gave a buy signal 30 days ago. The long-term moving average issued a buy signal 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 13 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's explore the support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $414.38. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $11.63 between its high and low, which equates to 2.86%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 4.43%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is in fact losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 12 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at $421.61. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at $414.38. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from various analyst sources is of strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Patent Jared M., who bought and sold 6,450 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 1.082. Overall, insiders purchased 286,104 shares and sold 273,685 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $402.19, reflecting a decrease of 3.53%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top identified 5 days ago. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for MicroStrategy Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 21st of May, we anticipate MicroStrategy Incorporated to open lower by $3.26, starting at $413.66. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.